यशोदा दामोदर के रूप में जानते हैं। नहीं, श्रीमद् भागवत में 10वें स्कंध में 9वें अध्याय में यशोदा दामोदर के बारे में सुखदेव गोस्वामी वर्णन किया गया।
So Shukadeva Goswami Pada explained about Yashoda Damodar. How Mother Yashoda, she with a small rope, she bound Bal Gopal, baby Gopal, in the to the grinding mortar with a small rope. So this is Yashoda Damodar. About Radha Damodar, Shastra explains that when Krishna appeared from the Ras dance, and Krishna again came to the assembly of the gopis, then at that moment, Srimati Radhika herself, she bound Krishna with flower garlands, like garlands of flowers. But Mother Yashoda bound Krishna with a rope. But Srimati Radhika bound Krishna with a flower garland. So to relish Ashara Madhurya, to relish Madhurya, this sweetness mood, it's from Shanta Dasa Dasa Saka Saka Vatsalya, then Vatsalya to Madhurya Ras. Then you enter Madhurya Ras. Understand? Slowly, slowly. How a sadhak so in Shantarasa what happens? Nishtha. The devotee has nishtha. But doesn't have mamata, possessiveness, also not service mood. So the devotees of Shantarasa, they have nishtha to God, to their master. Like he's Parabrahma, he's Bhagavan. Only like this, he's Paramatma. This nishtha. So example is Sanakana Sanandana, like the four Kumaras, you know. And then later this Ras Madhurya becomes even thicker. Then the Nishtha becomes mature and becomes Dasaras. So in Dasaras there is Seva Vritti, tendency to serve. Mamata Jukta Seva, service with possessiveness and with Sambandha, relationship as well. Because if there is no Sambandha, you cannot serve. Everybody serve, yes, but how to serve? With Sambandha, relationship. So with Sambandha, with Mamata, with relationship, with possessiveness, so two kinds of Mamata. Tadiya Jukta Mamata and Madhya Jukta Mamata. Like Srimati Radhika and her friends, they have Madhyata Bhav. Krishna is mine. This is Madhyata Bhav. But Tadhyata Bhav is I belong to Krishna. So like this. So Dasya Bhav like this. Actually from here starts Prema Seva. From Dasya Bhav starts Prema Seva. This amorous service. So in Dasarasa they have the Nishtha of Shanta, stability of Nishtha, and also this service with Mamata and Sambandha, possessiveness in a relationship. This even becomes even more like ripened, then becomes Sakha. So the Nishtha of Shanta is there, the Seva Vritti of the Dasya, and also the friendship mood of Sakya itself. Suhrida Bhav, this friendship. So there's Suhrida Bhav, a friendship without, Sakya Bhav in the mood of opulence and the mood of sweetness. Like Sugriva. Who has Shuddha Dasa, the pure spiritual mood? Hanuman.
और दूसरी होता है माधुर्य युक्त होता है संभ्रम और एक होता है विश्राम
So this friendship you can have in the mood of opulence or intimacy.
संभ्रम माने
Sambram means you have this feeling, he's God, he's higher than me, like this.
जो सख्य भाव आदि रखते हैं
So those who serve in the friendship mood with like this, they're called Sambram Jukta Sakha Bhav, means the Sakha Bhav friendship mood with opulence, with this awe and reverence. Like for example, Vibhishan, Sugriv, like this.
कंधे तो हाथ डालेंगे हैं, किंतु कान पर चढ़ नहीं जाएंगे हैं? सुग्रीव मित्रता की
Sugriva, he made friendship with Lord Ramchandra with the witness of the fire. But this friendship
संभ्रम युक्त
was full of sambram, like awe and reverence. He's Bhagavan, like this.
भगवान के चरण में लग न
I
जाए
should not be careful not to touch my feet,
जो है
like not to step on him.
करेंगे
So by far he was like shaking his hands with him, or like embracing, afraid that he would touch his step on him accidentally, and never climb on his shoulders, and also never give his remnants to Bhagavan Ramchandra.
रामदेव के रामानंद सागर में गलत
So the Ramananda Sangha showed wrongly to the people. That's why people are confused, thinking that somebody can give their remnants to Lord Rama. It's like Ramananda Sagar, when he showed the story of Shabari,
फल खाई
he showed the Shabari eating the sweet fruits, and the same fruit putting in the plate of God Ram, and he's eating.
गलत सिद्धांत
This is a wrong siddhanta, wrong conclusion.
विचार नहीं चाहिए
So this should be very well preached. Like this should be,
से
this part of Ramayana,
भाव देना चाहिए
it should be deleted,
ठीक करना चाहिए
or should be like done again and with a proper siddhanta of the TV series from director Ramananda Sagar. Because Rama is Bhagavan, he's always this Bhagavat Buddhi is there, like he's God, Aishwarya Buddhi, opulence mood, awe and reverence. How can somebody give their remnants in this mood? Not possible. This does not take place. This does not happen. So Sakya Bhav.
वो भी छोड़ दीजिए
So even
लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न
like for example Lakshman, Bharata, Satrughna, Sita Devi,
रामचंद्र भी नहीं दे
not even they give their own remnants to Ram. What to speak of other if not?
खाता होने पर
Even though Lakshman is the brother of Rama, he still also have this. He has this Sambram Bhav, means this on reverence, opulence mood to Lord Ram. But in Vraja we see Shuddha Sakya, means this pure friendship mood.
कितने सुंदर भाव दिखाते हैं
So beautiful.
आदि
Subhav Sridhama,
कान पर चढ़ जाते हैं
they climb in Krishna's shoulders.
देते हैं हाथ करके दिखाते हैं ये
They give their own remnants to Krishna and they say, Gopal, this it's so sweet, this fruit, please take. Like eat this.
और ये समझो सखों के भी कई प्रकार के विभाजन करके भी दिखाया गया चार प्रकार
Also many kinds of sakas.
है और आगे चल करके यही जो है सख्य भाव और
Like 4 kinds of sakas. So when these sakas,
अब आगे बढ़ करके वात्सल्य
the sakya bhav become very ripened, like mature, it's like vatsalya, this paternal affection.
सबका चार प्रकार होता है
So sakya has 4 kinds.
सुबल सुदाम आदि
So Subal Shudam,
उसके क्या कहते हैं विश्रम्भ युक्त सख्य
they are Vishambra Jukta Sakya.
चिंतन करना पड़ेगा
I forgot, I have to think about it.
प्रकार के सख्य कैसे
What are these 4 kinds of friends? Friendship.
प्रिय सखा नर्म सखा पृष्ठ सखा है ये सब भी दिखाया गया
So Priya Sakha, like this.
और उसमें भी सख्य के उदार को दिखाया ना ये विधम में सब वर्णन है
Javadharma describes all.
दिस माइंड होता है बाद में बता
Now I forgot, later I tell you.
किंतु क्योंकि कोई जैसे श्रेष्ठ होता है वयस में जो बड़े होते हैं छोटे होते हैं उसके अनुसार भी
Also depends on the age of the friends.
अर्जुन भी सख्य भाव कहा गया
So Arjun also has Sakya Bhav.
भगवान कृष्ण ने जब उनको विश्व रूप दर्शन कराया
So when Krishna showed his universal form, so Arjun
ऐसे स्तव स्तुति
Arjun did so many stuff, like so many prayers, Lord Krishna. So
इनको भी यहाँ पर सख्य उनके भी तो विशाल रूप दर्शन कराया कौन सा
but also Krishna showed his like gigantic form to his friends. You know, the deity of Durga Vishnu, we go there. Because Subal Shudam told to Krishna, Kanaya, how can you defeat Kamsa? Then Krishna told, oh yeah, I'll show you. So the friends of Krishna, they were telling him in Mathura, like when he came to Mathura, oh, you're like a rat, and Kamsa is like a lion, he'll eat you up, like he'll defeat you, how will you be able to fight with him?
बोलो क्या बात बात
Then
बताओ?
Krishna said,
हम लोग सुना कंस का शरीर बहुत विशाल है,
I heard that Kamsa's body is very big, yes.
मैं भी बड़ा कर
But Krishna said, I can also make my body very big.
अरे देखो ना मैं कर
Look, I can do it, I can do it.
देखते देखते विशाल से
So Krishna, in front of their eyes,
राम उनकी विशाल
it took, assumed a gigantic form called Dirga Vishnu with 4 arms, Shankar, Chakra, Gada, Padma. Then Subhashidam, they started like beating on, like not beating, like tapping his back. Oh yeah, very nice, yes, nice. So even though they saw this form, they never thought that never had this awe and reverence. They were not like Arjun doing stavastuti, like prayers to Krishna in this moment.
चलिए यहाँ पूछा
They just said, oh, Kanhaiya, very nice, very nice.
जादू टोना जानते हैं
Because they know Kanhaiya, they know Kanhaiya, Krishna, he has some mystic power or something, and he can do things like that.
तो ये समझते हो दिखाते
So like this.
हैं सांपों के ऊपर नृत्य करना
So to dance on the top of a snake, to lift Giriraj, it is not ordinary.
जादू टोना जानते
So they think, oh, Kanhaiya knows something,
मंत्र जानते कला देते
He knows some mantra, tantra, he knows.
और कुछ नहीं, इसलिए ये सब संभ्रम सख कहा जाता है और सखा विश्रम्भ सख कहा जाता है। ब्रज में जो है इसलिए कहा जाता है, ब्रज में जो सख भाव उसको क्या कहा जाता है, विश्रम्भ सख। ब्रज छोड़ करके बाहर जितने
So,
भी है,
except for Braj,
क्या होता है,
all the other friends of Krishna in any other abode, they have awe and reverence. This is called Sambram Sakya,
आगे बड़े वास्तव की जी
like awe and reverence mood. But if you, let's think about Vatsalya now.
कृष्ण के प्रति वास्तव
Devaki and Vasudeva, they have Vatsalya for Krishna, like Krishna is my son, yes, but they're thinking, oh, he's Bhagavan.
ये भाव है।
So they have this mood.
कभी देवकी वसुदेव
Sometimes Devaki and Vasudeva,
धूल कृष्ण के सिर पर नहीं रखते,
they will not put their feet of, like their dust of their feet on the head of Krishna and Balaram. Shastra explains,
के पास गए देवकी वसुदेव देख करके
when Krishna Balaram went to near Devaki Vasudeva, they remembered, oh, this Krishna actually he's Swayam Bhagavan Vishnu who came as our son.
वसुदेव के चरण स्पर्श करने के लिए
But when Krishna Balaram went to touch their feet, they didn't allow them to touch. No, don't touch my feet.
किंतु देखो
But you can see in Braj,
यशोदा नित्य प्रत्यह
Nanda Jashoda every day
कृष्ण बलराम जब आते हैं
when Krishna Balaram used to come
अपने चरण को क्या करते
and touch their lotus feet,
आगे करते
then Nanda Jashoda, they would even put their feet forward so that they could touch their feet, and then with their hands also they were like giving blessings to Krishna and Balaram. Such a beautiful mood in Vrindavan. Even when Krishna was going to the forest, graze the cows and everything, Ma Jashoda,
द्वादश तिलक भी
she would put 12 tilakas in Krishna's body, in Gopal's body,
मंत्र आदि जप के
chanting Krishna mantra like this for the protection of her son.
आशा है गोपाल हंसते रहते
And Gopal was laughing, seeing this.
जो ललाटे केशव अध्ययन है वही केशव तो स्वयं कृष्ण है,
Because this Keshava is Krishna himself.
तो माँ यशोदा
But Mother Jashoda,
तिलक करके
so she was putting tilaka in the body of Krishna
ये रक्षा
and praying for his protection.
ब्राह्मणों के द्वारा जप कराते थे। यह तक भी श्रीराम अथा बलदेव के
Even Shridam and also.
जो हमारे गोपाल के अगल बगल में रहना,
So she told to Shridam and like this, Baladeva, please be next to my Gopal all the time, taking care of him like this. So Mother Jashoda asked them. So Shuddha Vatsala, she has pure motherly affection.
देवकी और वसुदेव मथुरा और द्वारका
But in Devaki and Vasudeva, they have opulence mood.
रस में आगे चले,
But let's speak more about Madhurya Ras.
माधुर्य रस में
Let's go ahead.
दो प्रकार की
So 2 kinds of Madhurya,
और परकी
Swakya and Parakya.
जो है द्वारका आदि
Swakya is in like Dwaraka and etc. Parakya is in Vraj, we see in Vraj.
परकेप्त भाव दिखाते हैं। इसमें भी इतने सुंदर मधुर भाव रखते हैं,
Such a sweet mood.
भगवान वेदस्तुति हुई तो मोहर हरि मोहन। देखो गोपियों की कितने स्नेह ममता प्रीति है, और कृष्ण की भी कैसे बुलाने दीजिए
So the Gopis, they have so much affection for Krishna and it also provoke him and like this.
सुनने के लिए ही उत्कंठित उसी से ही प्रसन्न होते हैं।
And Krishna is so eager to listen to those chastisement of the gopis. Like when the gopis speak harsh words to Krishna, Krishna is so eager, like you are debauchee, you are thief, you are cheater. Krishna is so eager eager to listen to that. Even these words cannot come in our mouth. For example, Stri Lampat, another word that cannot even say. Only Shukadeva Goswami can speak, no one else. Some words that Krishna, the gopis, they tell to Krishna, they use for him. It does not come in my tongue, like I cannot even speak this word. But the gopis say, and Krishna is eager to listen these words, more than the praise of the Vedas. What is this word? This expression they use? Johnny Lampat. Have you ever heard this word? Johnny Lampat. So gopis called Krishna like this. Have you ever heard this expression? And Krishna is happy to listen to these kinds of harsh words or like very strong words. So the Priya Narmasakas, so in Bhagavad Bhagavatamta, Sanatana Goswami Pada also showed how when Krishna goes grazing the cows and when Krishna is taking rest under a tree in the lunchtime, so Krishna is taking rest and Krishna is laying his head on someone's friend's lap, and Baladev Prabhu is serving Krishna. Like, just like if a son becomes sick, the parents, they will serve their kid. So in the same way, Baladev Prabhu, he serves Krishna with this kind of mood. And then Krishna, what does he do? He closes his eyes, and then his close friends, they take some leaf, like from plants, and they're fanning Krishna and doing kirtan of so many prema katha for Krishna, like they're glorifying to Krishna, glorifying so that Krishna can hear about these prema activities of. And Krishna actually is not sleeping; he's just closing his eyes, smiling, and listening to all this. Brihad Bhagavatam explains. So all these modes so beautiful. So especially Subal and Shridham, they are Priya Narmasakas. So they don't enter the kunja where Radha and Krishna they are making pastimes, but they can stay outside. For example, they can fan with a fan. They can fan with a fan by putting some rope from outside the kunja. They can pull some rope and like this they're fanning. Otherwise, it will be rasabhas dosh, rasabhas dosh, like if they would come inside the kunja. But the gopis, they are doing leelas with Krishna in Vilas Kunja, in places of their amorous pastimes, beautiful leelas. So the Gauriya Vaishnavas, this is their only worshipable object. It's not for everyone. Not something that you can buy or sell in the market. Because not everyone can understand. There's all the rules, also marjada, the etiquettes and limitations. But in the transcendental world, this Kunja Leela, gopis are there. And how Krishna, how is the divine body of Krishna? His divine body is just like a Ujjal Nilamani, like a shining sapphire, gold sapphire, blue sapphire. And Shrimati Radhika's body is like golden. Just like, for example, also the blue lotus and golden lotus, they are together, such a beautiful meeting. And also the kunja becomes so beautiful. Nobody is inside. Only maybe some special manjari is there serving. And sometimes this manjari comes outside and she's looking through the like small holes in the wall of the kunja, like this. I don't know wall exactly. Anyway, there are some holes. Then from outside the kunja, the manjari is looking. So especially like Nishanta Leela, we hear about this. So this supreme level of Madhurya Rasa.
किंतु अभी हम लोग यथार्थ रूप में जो है साधारण लोग के निकट कहाँ पर हुए
But for a sadhaka,
हमारे गुरुदेव कहते थे
it's better Vatsalya Raskatha. Gurudeva used to say,
दास सख वात्सल
Dasa Sakya Vatsalya, we can describe, we can speak about it.
सब अधिकारी
Because not everyone is qualified for Madhurya Rasa.
नहीं तो लोग सहज या सुखी भी
Otherwise, people become Sahaji and Sakibeki.
क्या करना चाहिए
So that's why this kata,
सर्वत्र प्रचार में
we should not preach everywhere Vatsalya, Madhurya Raskatha.
निदर्शन करने के लिए
We should just point out the direction.
के भांति
Just like
ये समस्त माधुर्य रस के कथा
Shaka Chandra.
आचार्य पाद
Just like the logic where you show the moon on the branch of a tree.
जाता है
If you speak too much, people said it will be spinning. How is this possible?
के बारे में उल्टा सीधा समझे
They will think opposite things about Krishna. They will think wrongly. They understand opposite. So,
अभी जो हम जो जसोदा दामर की कथा हम श्रवण करेंगे
so let's listen about Jashoda Damodar.
बाल को कैसे
How Mother Jashoda, she bound Gopal
अपने जुड़ा बांधने वाले छोटी सी रस्सी
with the small rope she had for binding her braid.
है दामबंधन लीला की कथा अर्थात जसोदा दामोदर की कथा ये कथा है तो ये समस्त कथा हम श्रवण करेंगे
So we listen all these kathas. Now Maharaj will also be merciful, will tell. Katha, I was just giving introduction. I just gave a small introduction.
आगे जाकर के
But later,
माँ जसोदा गोपाल
we'll listen more how Mother Jashoda, she bound Gopal. This month, so many beautiful leelas happen in this month.
इसलिए इस महीने की विशेष
So that's why this month is so special.
महीने जो है हम व्रत किस
So why we're doing Vrat,
तो अनेकों लीला हुई
this vow in this month? So many leelas took place in this month.
कार्तिक महीने में की विशेष महत्व क्या है
So what is the special glory of this month of Kartik?
लीला जो है एक वात्सल्य लीला और एक
Vatsalya Leela and Madhurya Leela especially took place.
ये जो इस महीने में जैसे रासलीला आदि
So like Rasa Leela, for example.
सुंदर सुंदर कथाएं
Beautiful, beautiful kathas.
करना चाहिए
We should listen to that.
और इसी के जो है पद्म पद्म पुराण में सत्यव्रत मुनि
And also Padma Purana Satyavata Mudi.
दास संत दास सबका वात्सल्य तो अब जाने बाद उन्होंने और रह नहीं सका
After Dasa Sakavatsalya, Shukadev Goswami could not contain himself and he spoke a little bit
तदीय प्रिया
about
अनंत लीलाय देवाय
Madhurya Rasa. Sorry, Satyavrata Muni, no, in this Damodar Ashtakam. Like in this last shloka, he's indicating Madhurya Rasa.
दामोदर अष्टमी की अंतिम में कहते हैं
So in the last shloka of Damodar Ashtakam, he's saying,
अनंत लीलाय देवाय ये पर नम राधिका हुई ये माधुर्य लीला में
so Navaradhikaya is Madhurya Leela.
करके
So after ending Vatsalya,
प्रसन्नता नहीं हुई
he was not still satisfied. So
संपूर्णता नहीं उन्होंने क्या की
what did he do?
गीत के रूप में
He just indicated
नम राधिका हुई
about
प्रिया हुई
Madhurya Rasa.
नम अनंत लीलाय कृष्ण के अनंत लीला कौन से
So
लीला
what is the Ananta Leela of Krishna?
है
Ananta Leela means,
गोस्वामी पाद दिग्गज
Sanatana Goswami in Darshan Tika explains, Ananta Leela is actually Rasa Leela. Rasa Leela's another name is Ananta Leela. What is this mood of lover and beloved? Kanta, Kanta like
अंत नहीं है
also means lover, beloved, but Kanta means actually, Kanta, this word, Vishwanath Chakravarti explains. Ka, like where Anta ends. Like where's the end? There's no ends, unlimited.
अंत उस लीला के अंत
So this Leela, there's no end to this Leela.
आज एंडलेस
Endless Leela. So what is this? Rasa Leela.
है जिसको दिखाया गया बोले रास के अंत नहीं है बात क्योंकि भगवान
Actually, Rasa has no end.
रास किया
Because this Rasa that Krishna did with gopis, it was not, it was not only for a day.
यानी कितने रात
Actually, how many nights of Brahma passed by? Not only one.
की तरह बहुवचन प्रयोग
Bahu,
है देखा गया एक
the Brahma Ratra is actually in plural,
और अनंत
saying that there's so many, like unlimited nights, like so many nights of Brahma.
के एक दिन एक रात्र कितने दिन
So how many days actually there are in one day and one night of Lord Brahma?
1000 चतुर्थ
So one day of Brahma is 1000 Chaturyuga.
उसके अनंत तारक
And this Shlok explains, Ta Brahma Ratra means, this is in plural, like how many days and nights of Brahma the Rasa Leela was going on.
साथ प्रेम विहार करके भी प्रसन्नता नहीं है
And gopis were not satisfied to do the Rasa Leela. Like they wanted more. They wanted more. So in Srimad Bhagavatam, Shukadev Goswami, he like indicated
जाना नहीं चाहते
that Krishna didn't want, the gopis didn't want to leave Krishna and go away.
रात तक
They were already with him for so many days and so many nights.
प्रेम विहार करने
doing amorous pastimes and everything,
जाना नहीं चाहते।
but they didn't want to go back to their houses.
कृष्ण अनुमोदित
In
अनुमोदित
the end,
होकर के
Krishna
है, और अंत में वो गोपियां गृह में प्रत्यावर्तन दिखाया तो जब एक राज हो गया गोपियां चली गई, किंतु वास्तव ये नहीं।
so looks like that, like he told and gopis went away, but actually
भगवान के जोग माया के द्वारा ही तो कहा दिया भगवान वितारात्रि सर्वपूर्ण
so actually Jogamaya does everything.
ये तो दिखा दिया तो जोग माया के द्वारा कितने ब्रह्मा के रात्र कितने समय
Like so many days of Brahma, nights of Brahma passed by.
ये सब तो दिखा दिया। गुड प्रेमानंदी दीजिए
Give to Maharaj.
प्रभु।
Okay, I'll come back to the beginning. First 10 minutes, I think. And also this ends. Then they'll come back already now.
है?
One part.
ब्रह्मा जी के एक दिन एक रात्र कितने दिन हुए, कितने रात तक है? कृष्ण के साथ प्रेम विहार करने पर भी अपने गृह में जाना नहीं चाहते है? अंत में कृष्ण अनुमोदित होकर के है, और अंत में वो गोपियां गृह में प्रत्यावर्तन दिखाया तो जब एक राज हो गया गोपियां चली गई, किंतु वास्तव ये नहीं।
Sorry, so what he said is like, looks like it was like one night and after gopis left, but actually no, they did the Ras Lila for many nights of Brahma and they didn't want to go back. But in the end, like also Krishna, like was also consenting like this, and then they went back.
है? कितने रात लंबी चल
So because of this mercy of Guru Gauranga Nrsimhadev, so we're following the Urja Vrat, Kartik Vrat in a very well way, like everything's going on okay, very nice. Actually, because of the although the coronavirus pandemic is going on and we cannot gather as much people as used to, and the pilgrims also are in less number this time, still so we're following the rules. So we're even following these rules of COVID and everything, but also we are following our vow and like the parikrama. So Gurudeva, in the morning, he used to read the Mudarashtakam, like speak about the Mudarashtakam. So in this context, we also try to do the same as he used to. So you have heard a lot about the glories of this month. So I'll also remind you a bit also about that, and then I'll continue the Harikatha. So the glories of this month of Kartik is so much like this month is so glorious, so much glorious. Glorious.
कार्तिक महीने की महिमा
So all the Shastras, they show the glory of the month of Kartik.
इसकी इस महिमा इस महीने की नाम ही है ऊर्जा व्रत का है।
So the name of this vow we're making Urja Vrat. So Urja means potency, Shakti.
वास्तव रूप में
Actually,
शक्ति की पार्षद कहा जाता है।
the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they worship the Shakti, the potency.
देवी काली काली अथवा दुर्गा के पास में जो
So the people, according to the instructions of the Smartas, those who worship like Shakti, the potency like Durga, etc., Kali, they are called Shaktas.
और भक्ति प्रदान के सूत्र महाराज ने कहा
But Bhakti Pragyana Keshav Goswami Maharaj said,
वैष्णव जी यथार्थ रूप में वो
the truly Shaktas are the Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Bhakti Pragyana told. Because we worship the Shakti, the potency of Lord.
क्योंकि स्मार्त विधान में
Because in the Smarta injunctions, Smarta Brahmanas, this from the Smriti Shastras, like wordly Smriti Shastras, there are injunctions that they worship like Devis.
क्योंकि स्मार्त विधान में देव देवी की पूजा आदि आराधना की जाती है।
Yeah, according to the injunctions of the Smartas, they worship like demigods and demigoddesses.
उसके फलस्वरूप इस संसार की फल प्राप्त कराती है।
And because of that, they attain things in this world or worldly things.
वो भी देव देवियां की उपासना करके शक्ति की उपासना करके काली से दुर्गा आदि
So if you worship like Kali, Shiva, Durga, etc.,
ये भौतिक मुद्दा को प्राप्त करते हैं।
so you will attain material things
मनोरमा भाग्यान तेजी
like family, wife, husband, kids.
इस संसार की वस्तु वो भी उस मतलब देव देवियां
So all these demigods and demigoddesses, they don't have the power to give you anything.
भगवान से ही
Actually, they will
प्राप्त करके तब वो देते
pray to Lord, then they will give it to you.
हैं। किंतु यदि शास्त्र में कहा गया यथार्थ जो शक्ति कौन है श्रीमती राधिका सर्वशक्ति
So who is the original potency of Lord? Srimati Radhika.
गौड़ी वैष्णव के वास्तव रूप में उपास्य देवी कौन है श्रीमती राधिका जिसको कहते हैं राधिका।
So who is the actually Upasya Devi, like the worshipful deity of the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, is Srimati Radhika.
दासी यदि है अभिमान शीघ्र ही मिले तबे गोकुल कान। राधिका दासी होने पर साक्षात रूप में हम गोकुल कान गोविंद का हम प्राप्त कर ले। तुलनामूलक मैंने इसलिए उदाहरण दे रहे हैं। दासी यदि है अभिमान शीघ्र ही मिले तबे गोकुल कान। राधिका दासी होने पर
So if we become the servants of Srimati Radhika,
गोविंद का हम प्राप्त कर ले।
we can directly attend to Krishna.
तुलनामूलक मैंने इसलिए उदाहरण दे रहे हैं कि देखो इस संसार में लोग किसको पूजा करते हैं।
So in this world, people, they worship to whom?
लक्ष्मी नारायण की पूजा करते हैं।
They worship to Lakshmi Narayana.
अथवा
According to the injunctions of the
लक्ष्मी
Smartas.
गणेश की पूजा करते
Or
हैं।
maybe they worship Lakshmi Ganesh in all the houses like this.
लक्ष्मी गणेश की पूजा आदि करते हैं। कहते हैं लक्ष्मी धन दात्री है।
And like Lakshmi, she's giving
धन की अधिष्ठात्री।
dhan, like wealth.
और गणेश क्या करेंगे समस्त प्रकार के सिद्धि प्रदान।
And Ganesh gives
सिद्धिदाता गणेश
all the perfections.
जो है विघ्न
And Ganesh removes all the obstacles.
ने कहा विशेषकर ब्रह्म संहिता में दिखाया गया वास्तव रूप में
Also-
गणेश में भी सिद्धि देने की क्षमता नहीं है।
Brahma Samhita also explains Ganesh actually he has no potency to give any siddhi. Actually he gets from Krishna and then he gives.
स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया।
So Brahma Samhita explains very clearly
गणेश जी भगवान गोविंद की जब स्तव स्तुति आदि करते हैं
that Ganesha he is praying to Lord
प्रार्थना आदि करते हैं सिद्धि आदि प्राप्त करते हैं।
for perfections.
कथा को सुनकर भगवान प्रसन्न
Then
होकर
when Ganesh prays to Lord,
क्या है उनकी कंधे पर दो पैर रख देते हैं
So Ganesha puts his 2 feet on his,
और दे करके
sorry, Govinda puts his 2 feet on the shoulder of Ganesh and then gives all the perfection to him, the siddhis to Ganesh. And then after attaining this Riddhi Siddhi from Lord Govinda, Ganesha gives to the people of this world.
है। इसलिए कि संसार के लोग गणेश जी के जो है उपासना आदि करते हैं जिसको गणपत्य कहा जाता है।
So like people in this world, they worship him, so worship Ganesha, so they're called Ganapata.
स्वतंत्र रूप में
So the demigods actually, they are taking everything from Lord and giving to the people. They cannot do anything independently. They get that thing from Lord, then they give to the people.
शुद्ध विचारधारा क्या है?
But the conception of the Gaudiya Vaishnavas is that
कहते हैं उसी प्रकार देवी आदि समस्त जो है भगवान से प्राप्ति करके दे देते हैं, स्वतंत्र रूप में नहीं दे पाते हैं, गणेश भगवान से प्राप्त करके वो देते हैं। और गौड़ीय वैष्णव के शुद्ध विचारधारा,
so according to the pure conceptions of the Gaudiya Vaishnavas is that we will directly do bhajana of Radha Govinda.
और राधा गोविंद के भजन करने से संसार के सुख में प्राप्ति ही होगा।
And then if you do bhajan of Radha Govinda, you also get material happiness. This is true, there is no doubt.
मुक्ति संग मुक्तांजलि सेवते अस्मान, कहीं भगवान की आराधना करें तो भगवान वृद्धि सिद्धि अपने भी दे देते हैं, और भुक्ति मुक्ति आदि उनके पीछे पीछे चलते हैं, और भुक्ति मुक्ति आदि उनके पीछे पीछे चलते रहते हैं। सेवते अस्मान, कहीं भगवान की आराधना करें
So if somebody worships Lord,
तो भगवान वृद्धि सिद्धि अपने भी दे देते हैं,
Bhagavan also will give Riddhi Siddhi to this person,
और भुक्ति मुक्ति आदि
like mystic perfections like this, and the bhukti, like sense gratification, runs behind this devotee. And like for example, the Shuddha Bhakta says, I don't want these things, I just want prem.
तो उसी प्रकार ये दिखाते जा रहे हैं कि हम शक्ति के कैसी उपासना से सर्वशक्ति सर्वपिणी।
So this worship to the Shakti, Shrimati Radhika is the highest.
गौड़ीय वैष्णव की
You know, the potency, Sarva Shakti Sarapini, she is the embodiment of all the potency. So this Vichara, conception of Gaudiya Vaishnava is so beautiful.
लक्ष्मी के उपासक, लक्ष्मी सर्व मूल लक्ष्मी कौन है?
So who is the original Lakshmi? Shrimati Radhika.
इसलिए कहते हैं, राधा भजन यदि मति नहीं भेल कृष्ण भजन तब अकार नहीं, आप आत पर रहित सूरज नहीं माने, राधा विरहित माधव नहीं माने। ऐसा है, केवल माधव की उपासना करना ये उचित नहीं।
So it's not proper to worship only Madhav.
राधा जी कैसे, राधा माधव,
So we should worship Madhava with Shrimati Radhika, Radha Madhav.
तब वही राधा जी सर्वलक्ष्मीमयी श्रीमती राधिका में प्रदान करते।
So may Shrimati,
इस कार्तिक महीने की जो अधिष्ठात्री देवता है,
so Sarva Lakshmi Mai Shrimati Radhika, she's the original Lakshmi.
राधा जी सर्वलक्ष्मीमयी
She's also, all Lakshmis come from her.
प्रदान करते।
So Shrimati Radhika gives to us.
राधा जी कैसे, राधा माधव है, ऐसा राधा माधव के पास में।
So worship of Radha Madhava, Radha and Krishna together.
राधा जी सर्वलक्ष्मीमयी,
So Shrimati Radhika, Sarva Lakshmi Mai, may she give to us. So worshipful deity of this month of Kartik
स्वयं राधा जी है,
is Shrimati Radhika herself.
ऐसा है।
Understand?
कार्तिक महीने की अधिष्ठात्री देवता
So the presiding deity of the month of Kartik is Shrimati
की
Radhika.
ऊर्जा व्रत हम पालन करें,
So,
उपासना
Urja Vrata, and also we worship.
हृदय में
So we are following Urja Vrata, means we are worshipping this Shakti, Shrimati Radhika.
ऐसा है। राधा कार्तिक महीने की अधिष्ठात्री देवता
Because the presiding deity of this month of Kartik is Shrimati Radhika. So that's why we're following the Urja Vrata for her. We are worshipping Shakti, the potency, Shrimati Radhika,
प्रकट,
so that she may appear in our heart.
राधा दामोदर की
So,
उपासना सर्वश्रेष्ठ
The worship of Radha Damodar is the highest.
बहुत लोग इसको बारे में जानते हैं,
Many people, they don't know about this. Very few people know about it.
अधिक रूप में लोग
Generally, people know only about
दामोदर के
just Shoda Damodar only they know about.
भागवत में दसम स्कंध में
Because in the 10th canto of Srimati Bhagavatam,
है जसोदा दामोदर के बारे
explains
में
the story about Jashoda Damodar. Shukadeva Goswami explains
है, कैसे माँ जसोदा
how Mother Jashoda,
बाल को कैसे छोटी सी रस्सी के द्वारा
she bound Gopal with a small
कमर
rope
के साथ उखल के साथ
by his waist, bound him to a grinding mortar. So this is Jashoda Damodar.
राधा दामोदर
But Radha Damodar,
शास्त्र में वर्णन है
Shastra also describes
कृष्ण अंतर्ध्यान होने
that when Krishna disappears from Rasa dance, when Krishna again appears in the assembly of the gopis, then at that moment,
स्वयं राधा जी ने
Srimati Radhika herself,
के जो है बांध दिया
she bound Krishna with a garland of flowers.
माँ जसोदा किसके द्वारा बांधा है
So here we already were translating from the beginning.